now let's take a look at our first examples. These are going to be considered easy level. Okay, so first thing I want to notice on my first example is I have two terms and I have a subtraction sign between them. So at least it's set up to be perfect squares. Now, the second thing you really want to know, since they're squares, it means I really want to kind of mentally take the square root. So if I rewrite that, if I take the square root mentally, I can rewrite that as, well, 9 is 3 squared and x squared is x. So I can rewrite it as 3x parenthesis squared. And the same thing with the 16 is 4. Okay. So if you can figure out what the square root of each of those numbers is, that's going to tell you what goes in the parentheses. So on my last step, I'm going to take the 3x since that's first, and it goes first in the parentheses. And then the 4, that's second, so that will go second in the parenthesis. And then I make one a plus and one a minus. As long as they're opposite signs, it is correct. So let's look at our second example. Same idea. I want to think of what squared gives me 4x squared and what squared gives me 81y squared. So we can have as many letters and numbers as we want. Well, I know 2x and 9y. So then I put the first one first and the second one second. So 2x plus 9y, 2x minus 9y. And that would be factored form.